Hey everyone, welcome back to TechVole, your go-to place for quick and useful tech tutorials. I'm going to show you how to scan any document with your iPhone and instantly turn it into a PDF. It's super easy, and I'll also show you how to send that PDF to anyone via WhatsApp, email, Telegram, AirDrop, or any other app you like. Let's get started. First, open the Notes app on your iPhone. Create a new note by tapping the icon in the bottom right. Now tap the camera icon and select Scan Documents. Point your iPhone camera at the paper you want to scan. Your iPhone will automatically detect and scan the document. But if you prefer doing it manually, just tap the shutter button yourself to take the scan. Once scanned, you can adjust the corners if needed, then tap Keep Scan. You can scan more pages by repeating the process. When you're done, tap Save. Now your scanned pages are inside the note. Tap the share icon in the top right. Scroll down and select Save as PDF. Choose where to save the PDF, like Files, iCloud Drive, or just on your phone. Now, let's share it. Open WhatsApp or any app like email, Telegram, or AirDrop. Choose the contact, tap the attachment or plus icon, then select Document. Find the PDF you just saved, tap it, and hit Send. Or, if you want, you can just send it directly from the Share menu right after editing, just like I'm doing here. And that's it. Your scanned document is now a PDF, ready to be sent to anyone, anytime. Super simple, right? And the best part, no extra apps needed. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new TechVole tip. Thanks for watching. This is TechVole. See you in the next one.